Hi, you're watching another fact check episode with me. Claim we bust at the top is a post that's going viral on social media which claims that the coronavirus is actually a bacteria and that it can be treated by taking aspirin. The one thing that we can really be sure about by now is that the COVID-19 is definitely caused by a virus and that no aspirin or antibacterial treatment can cure it. In fact, there is no prescribed cure for the COVID-19 disease yet. Claim number 2 is largely a conspiracy theory that's doing the rounds, which says that the leading cause of deaths due to COVID-19 is actually thrombosis or blood clot and not pneumonia. This conspiracy theory also goes on to say that the World Health Organization is deliberately withholding information it has about the disease's progress so that world population can be reduced. No need to say this is fake news. And also it's misleading to say that thrombosis is the leading cause of death in COVID-19 patients. It has been observed as the main cause of death in some studies. Once again, the sample size was too small to say that this is the only reason. In other studies, this one conducted in Wuhan in China, which was the original epicenter of the disease, this says that pneumonia is the leading cause of death. But then again, the sample size was only restricted to people infected in Wuhan. Across the world, it's being observed that other conditions are precipitating death due to COVID-19, such as renal failure, heart failure, liver damage, and multi-organ failure. So far, no one cause is known for the death in COVID-19 patients who are severely infected. Once scientists and researchers know that, once they can figure out what is really causing deaths in COVID-19 patients, then a more targeted, well-designed treatment can be made and we can ensure that the death rate goes down. And finally, claim number 3 is a statement that's being attributed to a top United States doctor, which says that this doctor, who's Anthony Fauci, who is one of the key members of the White House task force on coronavirus and also the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases in America, the statement being attributed to him is that he's apparently said that clinical trials of vaccines can be done later, but first they need to be manufactured and administered even before their safety and effectiveness can be judged. He has not said this. He did say that the manufacturing of vaccines can go along even as clinical trials are being done, so that once the vaccines are cleared for administration, then there is already a lot of them already at hand to be administered into patients and other people. Fauci has never said that any compromise should be made on the safety or effectiveness of these vaccines. He has in fact in the past outlined the phases of trials that every vaccine needs to undergo to ensure that they can be safely administered in human beings. These are all the updates today. Thanks for watching.